I'm back at Billingsgate Market. I'm shopping for king prawns because I'm making a particular dish that I found in Alexandria in Egypt. Something that I love. It's prawns with garlic and lemon juice. Let's shop for prawns. Can I get that box, please? Where do they come from?
These come from Nigeria. These are the wild tiger prawn.
Wild tiger.
These are all farmed white prawn. These are wild tiger.
Thank you very much. There you go.
Lovely, thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'm all set. I got everything I need. Let's go to the kitchen. And we are back from the market. The prawns are ready. Take a look at this. Ta-da! With these tiger prawns, I'm going to make an Egyptian recipe that I learned from a chef in Alexandria. It is called Gambari Mutaffa, which means prawns in butter, lemon juice, garlic, and a sprinkle of coriander leaf on top. Let's get ready for these. Prawns are actually the garbage collectors of the sea. We need to clean these up. Dirty bastards. These are wild prawns, they're not farmed. This is why they look so good, and they're gonna taste delicious, I hope. Now I'm done deshelling. Now I need to open this up and take the garbage sack out of these dirty boys. Let's cut them open. These dirty boys are clean. I just need 50 grams of butter. Yes, 50 grams of butter. 2 cloves of garlic. The prawns go in. Very quick, toss them around. And then at the end, the juice of 2 lemons, and that's it. And you will be amazed by the result. So get your pan hot, but not too hot because I don't want to burn the butter in there. Butter goes in. Garlic goes in. Butter and garlic is the best smell in the house. I think this is what I need to attract customers in my restaurant next. Now the prawns go in, and that's how it is. Season, black pepper, flip. And now the juice of 2 lemons. We just cook it for about 30 seconds to reduce the moisture and emulsify the butter with the acid. Amazing results. Oh my, the smell is incredible. I wish you can smell it with me. You're gonna taste it at home. The secret key to the recipe from Alexandria is coriander. And now to my favorite part of this video is when I taste it. A little bit of bread. Dip, dip, dip. Absolutely delicious. Flashbacks from Alexandria came to my mind when I tasted this. Very simple, very easy. Shop for fresh ingredients, cook well, and eat well. I hope you like this recipe. Good luck. My name is Iyad Qasim. I cook Middle Eastern and Mediterranean food. If you like my recipes, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and my YouTube channel has all these recipes. If you like, click, 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 click like. If you do like.